What if I told you that your ambition is the very thing holding you back from success? That your long list of exciting goals for your health, your career, and your relationships isn't a sign of your potential, but a roadmap to failure? It sounds crazy, but stay with me. Welcome to the Inner Power Podcast. I'm your host, Vinay Bajaj, an alignment coach for driven professionals. This is the podcast for those who are ready to stop procrastinating and start living with purpose. Each week, we explore the principles of the modern monk, blending deep inner work with powerful, practical action to help you unlock the success and clarity you deserve. If you're ready to get aligned and take control, you're in the right place. Alright, let's get right into it. The idea that your ambition can hurt you feels wrong, doesn't it? We are taught to dream big, set massive goals, and chase them all with equal ferocity. We want to get that promotion, start a side business, get in the best shape of our lives, learn a new language, and improve our relationships all at the same time. We suffer from what I call the disease of more. We believe that having more goals means we have more opportunities for success. But in reality, we are just diluting our power. This is the fast track to feeling busy, overwhelmed, and frustrated, but never actually achieving mastery in any single area. You make an inch of progress in 10 different directions, but you never travel a mile in the one direction that truly matters. So, why is focusing on just one goal at a time so much more powerful? There are two core reasons for this. First, think of your focus like the difference between a light bulb and a laser. A light bulb uses its energy to spread light everywhere. It illuminates a room, which is useful, but its power is diffused. A laser takes a small amount of energy, or even less, and concentrates it into a single powerful point. That focused beam can cut through steel. Your attention, your energy, and your willpower work in exactly the same way. When you spread them across five goals, you illuminate them all slightly. When you focus on one, you create a breakthrough. The second reason is the hidden cost of switching. Every time you shift your mental energy from thinking about your business plan to thinking about your workout plan, you pay a cognitive tax. Your brain has to disengage from one set of problems and load up an entirely new one. This switching cost drains your mental battery faster than anything else, leaving you with less energy to do the actual work. Singular focus preserves and concentrates your power. So, how do we actually do this in a world full of amazing possibilities? Here's a simple three-step framework. Step 1, choose your one thing. This is the hardest part for most driven people. You have to be willing to let good ideas wait. The question to ask yourself is this: what is the one goal that, by achieving it, will act as a domino and make everything else easier or even unnecessary? Is it getting your physical health and energy in order so you have the vitality to tackle your career? Is it finally launching that business which would solve your financial goals? Don't just pick the easiest one, pick the most impactful one, the lead domino. Step 2 is to create a goal shelf. You are going to have other great ideas. Your brain won't stop generating them. Don't discard them and don't try to suppress them. That just creates anxiety. Instead, Create what I call a goal shelf or a parking lot. This is a real physical place, a page in your journal or a note on your computer where you write down these other goals. By writing it down, you acknowledge the idea and promise your brain you will come back to it later. This gives you permission to release it from your active mind and keep your focus clear for the one goal you are working on right now. Step 3, embrace the domino effect. When you pour all your energy into one goal, you not only achieve it faster, but you build incredible momentum and self belief. Success is a skill, and achieving one major goal teaches you how to succeed. That confidence and that momentum will carry you into your next goal with more power than you had before. You'll knock your first domino over, and you will find the second one falls much more easily. Then the third. This is how you create real compounding growth in your life, not by trying to push all dominoes at once, but by focusing all your energy on the first one. I know the fear, the biggest objection is always, but if I only focus on one thing, won't I fall behind on everything else? The answer is no, because the alternative isn't achieving 10 things at once. For most people, the alternative is achieving zero things. It's a life of being perpetually busy, but never truly moving forward. So, I challenge you today. Look at your list of goals, have the courage to choose one, put the others on the shelf, and give that one goal the focused power of a laser. I promise you, the breakthrough you've been waiting for is on the other side of that focus. And that's a wrap on today's episode. Thank you for investing your time with me. If the ideas we talked about today resonated with you and you are ready to stop just learning and start implementing, I have a special invitation for you. I host a free live procrastination to power workshop where I personally guide you through the 3 core secrets to mastering your focus and taking decisive action. To reserve your free spot for the next live session, simply visit https://workshop.vinaydbajaj.com. Again, that's https://workshop.vinaydbajaj.com. Until next time, stay powerful.